And we're back. Listen, everybody, all my real people out there, this is Real TVW telling you, don't throw your box away. Every laptop I've ever had, I've either given away or sold, and people love getting as much original stuff as they can. Giving somebody the item with a box, they're like, wow, that's great. When I sold my personal computer that I had custom built, I had all the boxes for every piece shown on my Facebook Marketplace post. And he said, you know, when I saw those boxes, I said, this is a guy who cares about his stuff. He's going to be selling me something legit. So keep your boxes. I keep every piece of paper. That way the next person that gets this, probably in 2 or 3 years, is going to say, cool, I got everything. Here's the machine itself. Again, I'm blown away. This is sexy, and it's so white and clean, and the silver is a nice kind of flat looking silver. Really exciting here. And now, how do you get this apart? It's different with every single machine. They got a lot of glue holding this down. It's not the usual just rip it off kind of cellophane, but if you get all the glue and the sticky out the way, you can lift that away. And here we are. Me and you, we're together. This is our first look. Okay, right now, I'm feeling these feet. They feel sticky. They feel like they're not going to give. Like my wife's yoga, too much give. What do we have here? We got the 2 bottom-facing speakers. We got some intake. We got some intake. I'm never sure. I'm not an engineer, but I always feel like, should I take a Dremel and should I Dremel out some of these holes to get more airflow? I'm assuming that Asus knows what they're doing. Like I said, I already had an ROG machine, and it was great, and it didn't have cooling issues, but I just wonder. This is really nice because the machine just has your standard Phillips head screwdrivers. I can take this apart if we need to. Got your Windows sticker, which I will immediately rip off and throw away. I hate stickers on my machine. Okay, let's see. On the front, the usual nothing. On the side, what do we got? Kensington lock, some more airflow. Couple of standard USBs, a USB-C. Got your vents in the back. Got that little Zephyrus branding, which you're not going to see. I'm sorry, I don't have the greatest setup. Got your power in. You got your HDMI. This is also a power in USB-C. Again, I want to get the 65-watt charger for on the go. Wish it took 90 because you could do so much more as far as use it to its full potential while you're using it. So here it is. These really cool little holes. So you can buy a version of this that has a light-up LED matrix. There's LEDs back here where you can do things. I thought that was cool, but not my thing. I wasn't going to waste my time with that. When you're using it, I heard it takes up to 10 watts of power. That's a lot of power. Get that out the way. But it looks nice. I mean, this is just an interesting premium look and design. And of course, let's bring it around, see what's on the inside. Now, what you can't see is that when I push the screen up, it's lifting it up, of course. That's an Asus trick where they lift up the machine to get more airflow. Get this out the way. And here we are on the inside. Trackpad is a piece of glass. Looks good. I don't understand people's infatuation with giant trackpads. I mean, your 2-finger scrolling about 1 inch or 2. This is plenty. Got your top speakers. We got our Ryzen sticker, our NVIDIA sticker. We got the fat Asus space bar that I really love. Keyboard feels really good. Better than that Yoga. Maybe as good as my Google Pixelbook. We'll find out. Okay. I don't want to get into this too much. This is just like an unboxing and first look. We'll do a whole review as usual. And I say as usual, this is my second video. But as usual, we'll do a whole review maybe in a day or 2 after I get used to it. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Remember, there's no such thing as a waste of time, only a waste of understanding. This is Real TVW signing out.